welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this smoky eyeshadow look using only 2 eyeshadows and an eyeliner pencil. So the 2 eyeshadows that I'm going to be using come from these 2 palettes right here. One from this one and one from this one. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this smoky eyeshadow look that you can use, for your night out or on a daily basis, if you really like smoky eyeshadow looks, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe down below at the end of this video and give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so first things first is, since I'm gonna go for like a very dark and very smoky eye look, I'm gonna start off by creating a base with the NYX pencil eyeliner in 601. And what I'm going to be doing is applying this on the lid and then afterwards going in with a black eyeshadow and then blending it out with a brown. Okay, so like I mentioned, I'm going to start off by applying the black eyeliner and then I'm going to smudge it out with this brush right here. In high school, this is literally how I did my eyeliner for high school. So now I'm going to take the brush and blend it out. Just finished doing is create kind of like a guideline or an outline for where I'm gonna want the majority of the eyeshadow to go, as well as kind of create the shape that I already want. That way I don't have to struggle and fix it too much with concealer at the end. So I'm gonna go do the other eye and then I'll be right back. So now that both eyes are done, I'm going to, or now that the base is done, better said, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Cosmetics I Think I Love You palette, this one right here. And if you haven't seen my tutorial with this palette, I'll go ahead and link my video down in the description box if you're curious to go check it out. But I'm going to be using this shade right here, and that is the shade Rule Breaker. And what I'm going to be doing is taking my E.L.F. Cosmetics C brush, which is this kind of like packing brush, and I'm going to take a significant amount on the brush, just kind of dip it in there and apply it all over the eyelid. And this is going to darken the look a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and add another shade in a minute. And now that black eyeshadow is done, I'm going to be switching palettes to my brand new All I See Is Magic palette by Colourpop. As you can see, I really love Colourpop and their eyeshadows. But as you can see, this is a really beautiful palette, and so I believe I want to use the shade Go Wish as my transition shade. And I'm going to grab a little bit with my E.L.F. Cosmetics fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to grab a little bit, and then I'm going to be applying right here, kind of like at the edge of the black. That way I will blend it out and make my eyeshadow go a little bit higher and make it look more dramatic and just give it a pop of color. I have that color blended out and blended in with the black. I think it looks really pretty, and it adds kind of like a nice gradient effect to the eyes, and I'm in love with it. This is exactly the kind of smoky look I was going for. So then I'm gonna take a little bit of that NYX eyeliner again and that smudge brush, and I'm just gonna get the smudge brush and kind of dip it into the eyeliner and put it on my lower lash line. Okay, well, using the smudge brush isn't really as intense as I hoped it would come out, so I'm just going to go directly with the eyeliner and line my lower lash line. So now I'm actually going to take that smudge brush and blend that out. And now if you want to smoke it out even further, I think what I might do is get a little bit more of the transition shade that I used from the All I See Is Magic palette in the shade Go Wish. And I'm gonna get this brush right here, which is, I forgot what it was called, can't remember what it's called, but it's an E.L.F. Cosmetics brush. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that shade and apply it over the black that I put in my lower lash line. Okay, so then now that we have that blended out and nice and smoky, I'm just gonna pop on some fake eyelashes and some mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have completed the look with the fake eyelashes and with the mascara, and so now I'm gonna be applying some lipstick. I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Cosmetics Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Frickin' Frack. Interesting name. And so yeah, I'm just gonna be applying some of that. Okay guys, so now I throw on some lipstick and that's it. That's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I appreciate all of your comments, all of your feedback, so I would love to hear from you. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you guys in my next video.